What's going on, YouTube? So today I'm gonna do another little project on the Rebel. This has been something I've been going back and forth with doing, but I figured I'm just gonna do it, try it out, see how it looks like. And that's gonna be blacking out the skid plate. You could get a black skid plate from the factory with the blackout package, but this one clearly didn't have it. I think it looks kind of good all blacked out, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use PlastiDip on it, so you know, if I don't really like it, I could always just peel it right back off. So yep, but we're not just gonna get the aerosol can PlastiDip. We're actually gonna use a HVLP spray gun, and we're gonna try it out that way, see if we can get a little better result with it, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm not too good with using spray paint. So let's go run over to Harbor Freight, pick up a cheap little spray gun, and get this project started. And boom, just like that, we're here, Harbor Freight. Let's go. Look at this guy fucking trying to squeeze in here. What are you doing, buddy? All right, whatever. I feel you. All right, I'll wait for you. No worries. Let's go. We got a sale today. What? This is what we're looking for right here. Some HVLP spray guns. Look at that. $9. That'll do. Get that right there. Down here. These. Costs more than the gun itself. So we're good. Got the filters, the gun, that. Alright, let's try and find a pressure regulator. Let's grab all the stuff out of here. This little pressure air compressor we'll be using. It's about 200 years old. Nice antique. All right. Good. Nice little stand. Pretty cool. I think that was about 12 bucks. 100 or 60 to 70 paint strainers. Cool. High quality HVLP spray gun. That's what that little acronym stands for right there. All right, you know, little whopping 10 bucks, breaking the bank. Little spray gun filter and pressure regulator. Cool. All this stuff for about $35. All right, let's check it all out. Alright, let's see if it works. Well, actually, what I read online is that you should really clean this out, because as I'm even holding it, it's super oily. So maybe get some mineral spirits take it apart a little bit, just clean it out. So yep, I'm gonna do that now. Alright, so the spray gun's all cleared out now, so ran over to Home Depot to buy the supplies that we're going to be using to spray this PlastiDip. So we got this kind of dip right here. It's the 14.5 ounce non-aerosol. Got some paint thinner to thin this dip out so we can spray it. Just some painter's tape to tape up everything so we don't get any overspray. And a nice little mixing bucket here. So to thin this out, we're going to do a 1-to-1 ratio. So we're going to use this whole thing here, equal parts of this paint thinner, put it into here, mix it up, put it into there, and then we'll be good to go to spray it. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, you can see that I didn't take the bumper off. I just decided to tape it all up and then just spray it while it's still on the truck. It's kind of a pain in the butt to remove this bumper and the skid plate, so this is gonna have to do. Luckily, it's PlastiDip. If it looks like shit, we'll just peel it off and start again. Alright, so wish me luck. There you can see the first 2 coats right there. We finished the first little container out of the spray gun. I have about half left. I'm gonna spray the rest of it on there. Just need to hit this little area right here. Got a little bit of run right there just because the gun wasn't, it's my first time using this gun. I'm still learning. This is my first time even using a spray gun. So this is all a learning curve to me. Is it perfect? No, but you know what? It's pretty cool that I did it myself. I'm learning something new here, so this is fun. This is my work truck. It's not a pavement princess. It gets used like a truck. There's scratches everywhere on it. Look, right here, up here. right on the side over there. You know, there's a nice long ding right here where I got side swiped, you know. So this is a truck. It's not gonna be perfect, but it's fun. It's a build. So let's continue with it. Alright guys, so there it is. I've kind of ran out of daylight here, as you can see. I'm using this little spotlight on the ground to give me a little bit of light here, but there you go. I mean, it's all sprayed now. It looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of proud of myself here. You know, I could have used the aerosol cans, but I thought this would be a little bit more fun, try and learn something new. So there you have it. I'm gonna leave it overnight, let it dry a little bit before I remove the tape. So let's fast forward to tomorrow morning and I'll show you what the final product looks like. Alright guys, it's the next morning and there you go. Blacked out skid plate. It looks pretty good. It's not perfect, you know, and kind of pulled off some of it with the tape. So that's the biggest piece of advice I can give you, is just take your time with taping and then with removing the tape, because if you get a little bit impatient, kind of get something like that and something like that, and now I'm gonna have to go back and touch that up, but you know, no big deal. It's PlastiDip, so it's easy to work with. So yeah, kind of like it. Gonna see how long I keep it for before I get bored and switch it up again. This will kind of hold me over until I decide what kind of aftermarket bumper I want to do. So there you go. If you like this video, you know, give it a thumbs up. More videos to come. All right, thanks guys, see you later.